guys, it has been raining since morning today. So I thought I should come outside and I should teach you something. So today I'm gonna teach you something very interesting and you're gonna love it. So it had been raining since morning today, but right now it's not raining. There is a light rain. It means there are still few droplets of water falling from the sky. What do we call that? It's drizzling. We will not say it's raining outside. There is a difference between raining and drizzling. Drizzling means some droplets of water are still falling from the sky, or it's light rain. So it's drizzling. So now we have talked about light rain, but what if we have to talk about heavy rain? Sometimes it rains so heavily. How do we talk about it? So if you have to say that it's raining so heavily, you can say it's downpouring. Okay, what will you say? Downpouring. It means there is a lot of water falling from the sky and it's raining so heavily. You can also say bucketing down. Bucketing down. It's bucketing down today. It means it's raining so heavily. And you must have heard people saying it's raining like cats and dogs. So it doesn't mean that some cats and dogs are falling from the sky. It doesn't mean like that. It means this is an idiom which has different meaning than its actual meaning. It means it's raining so heavily. It's raining like cats and dogs. Have you noticed such type of rain when you are at some place, it's raining, but you go for a distance like 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers, then it's not raining. What do we call that? We call it scattered shower. Scattered shower. Okay. It means it is raining here, but after certain distance it's not raining. Okay, so scattered shower. What happens after rain? When we step out from our home, we notice this and this. And do you have any idea what do we call it? We call it puddle. So what is puddle? A pool of rainwater is called puddle. And what if I step down and walk through this puddle? What will we call that? We will call it paddling in the puddle. Just like the small kids, what do? They enjoy after the rain. They just jump in the puddle, they walk in the puddle, and we say it is paddling in the puddle. I paddle in the puddle. Okay, let me explain what is the definition of paddle is. So paddle means walking through the water that is not that deep. So have you ever walked along the seashore? If yes, then you can use this term, I have paddled along the seashore. After the rain, some roads are full of water. What do we call these roads? We call it flooded roads. Flooded road. It means roads are full of rainwater. So when roads are full of rainwater, you can say roads are flooded. Roads are flooded. I couldn't reach office on time because roads were flooded. After the rain, when something is slightly wet, we call it damp. You can use this word for roads, for your clothes, or for yourself as well. You can say roads are damped. It means they are not that wet, they are not full of water, but still they are wet. It means they are damped. My clothes are damped. I am damped. So you reached office after drizzling, so you will say I'm damped. As I told you in the beginning, drizzling means few droplets of water are falling. So you can't be that wet, you will be damped. Okay, damped. I am damped. Next word is drenched. Drenched. It means fully wet. So while reaching my home, it was raining like cats and dogs and I am entirely drenched, or you can say I am drenched. I am drenched. Okay. Drenched means that you are completely wet. You are completely wet. It means drenched. You can also use another word for this, that is soaked. So after the rain, you are now soaked. Have you guys noticed when it rains, there is a sound of thunder coming from the clouds. What do we call it? We call it clap of thunders. Clap of thunder. Last but not the least, have you noticed the lighting when it's raining? We call it bolt of lighting. Bolt of lighting. So you must have seen flash of lights. We call it bolt of lighting. Bolt of lighting. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, then please don't forget to tell me in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button. Till the time, keep learning. Happy learning. Bye bye.